Hello everyone, I'm Dr. Jolle, Hill's Pet Nutrition Chief Veterinary Officer with Little Chippie, and this is Hill's Pet Talk. It is common knowledge that your oral health is crucial to your overall well-being, and if not properly maintained, it can lead to serious health problems. For pets, it's not different. Just like us, pets can also suffer from a broad range of oral problems, and it's important to make sure that they have proper oral hygiene. This month marks Pet Dental Health Month, and today I'm joined by Mary Berg. She is one of the council members for the Veterinary Oral Health Council, whose work recognizes products that meet preset standards of plaque and tartar retardation in dogs and cats. Thank you for joining us, Mary. I have a question for you. How common a problem is oral hygiene for pets in 2024?
It is extremely common. Depending on who you talk to, anywhere between 70 and about 85% of all dogs and cats over 2 years of age have some degree of oral disease or oral problems. So it is a huge problem. And I think we really just need to get the word out to pet owners that this is an issue and we need to keep that mouth healthy because, it's anecdotal, but we know that we can probably add a couple more years to every one of those cute little animals' lives if we can keep their oral cavity healthy.
Right. So Chip is getting a little defensive here. He started growling, but he had a question about how is the VOHC helping to address and raise awareness of this critical health issue for pets?
Well, the VOHC, or the Veterinary Oral Health Council, is an organization that has developed certain protocols and study methods that products must go through in order to gain their seal. It is very much like the American Dental Association seal of approval. So pet owners can look for the VOHC seal on products and know that that product has gone through some extensive testing and is going to help their pet have a better oral health. So I think that's one of the major ways that the VOHC is helping pet owners. It's also that we have to get the word out to pet owners to look for the seal of approval.
Right. Of course, Chippy gets Hill's TD as a little treat, but he also doesn't really like the brushing. So, but we still do it with him. He knows when we grab the cupboard, go to the cupboard where the brush is, he runs away. But what are some of the most effective ways pet parents can address oral hygiene for their pets?
Well, brushing is the gold standard. However, I actually don't talk about brushing near as much as I used to.
Right.
And part of that is because only about 2% of Americans brush their teeth. So congratulations, you guys are in the 2%, top 2% there. Yes, rock on roll.
Yes, Chippy, yes.
However, it isn't something that is commonly done. So other things that can be done that are very effective is oral wipes. Using a specific dental oral wipe is a great way to kind of help clean the teeth. It's weird that people will wipe the teeth, but they won't brush them. Again, you mentioned my favorite that I recommend to almost everybody, and I feed my own dog. That's her full diet, is Hill's Prescription TD. I know that product works. I spent a lot of my former years working on that product and testing it, so I know it does a great job. But feeding a diet, to me, you have to feed them anyway, so let's feed them a consumable toothbrush
Right.
that actually cleans their teeth while they do it. Now, there's some animals that wouldn't be able to eat it for metabolic reasons or something. But also, chews given with parental supervision, chews that have the VOHC seal are going to be effective in helping as well. But again, be careful because too many chews can add some extra poundage to your pet that you don't want to have. So
Right.
making sure that if you're offering a chew that you reduce their diet a little bit that day so that they don't get too little portly there. But, using things like that are alternatives that are very effective as opposed to toothbrushing.
Right. Chippy always thinks that he is a little cat instead of a dog. Does oral hygiene look different for cats versus dogs?
Well, actually, you can brush cat's teeth.
Mm-hmm.
I have done it. I've done it with a power toothbrush. And yeah, you can do it. However, they don't necessarily always enjoy it. If they're trained to do it and it's a very rewarding experience and they get a treat afterwards, cats do accept it readily. However, a lot of people are very hesitant to think about brushing their cat's teeth. So again, I think one of the most efficacious diets out there is actually Hill's TD for cats, feline TD.
Right.
It reduces plaque and calculus in about the 60% range over a regular diet. So, and it's actually a really good diet for from about the time they're a year old all the way through their lives. So I like that. It's hard to find treats for cats that are dental treats. There are a few out there. There are a few with the VOHC seal as well. So those products are also things you can look for if you want to give your cat that extra special little treat during the day.
Right. Dr. Yvette that works for us trained her cats from really early on to brush their teeth, and they're great. I mean, it's amazing to see how she does it. But thank you so much for being on with us on Hill's Pet Talk, Mary. This is great information, and for everybody out there, either brush your teeth or feed them something that will decrease these problems in your pet. So thank you so much.
Thank you for having me. Take care.
While February is National Pet Dental Health Month, dental health should be a daily ritual for pet owners all year long. From using products that are designed to help maintain or correct oral hygiene to developing a routine of brushing teeth, the long-term effects of great dental care in your pet can improve their daily activities and even prolong their lives. Until next time, I'm Dr. Jolle and Chippie, and thank you for joining us on Hill's Pet Talk. And don't forget, science did that.